Hi, Ed. It was fun talking with you. I'm excited about the possibilities of adding water to our fire to our water features. This is our basic setup. We put a basin like this in the ground. Usually we go with a 2 feet deep basin. This is only 1 foot deep. I know that you may tell me, we'll put this in something else. I don't know if you want to put it in a metal surround or whatever, but we put concrete footings on these columns. The lighting in here doesn't do any favors for this, the color of this rock. I think you can see that this rock is pretty cool stuff. We put a ball valve and a concrete footing. These tubes all connect, goes to a pump down underneath. So I didn't know if we would put a separate pan around here with the Firestone and have the simplest thing I thought right off the bat would be to have a fire ring around the outside of the feature. And this would all be inside of a knee wall like this. We put this stacked stone. I like to use a natural stone too. This is the concrete stuff. Here's a big tall column. That's over 80 inches tall. Then I could picture this stone, maybe shorter ones with fire coming out of the stones. Maybe fire coming out of the top of a couple of tall ones. Imagine if there were 20 or 30 columns and 2/3 of them had water and 1/3 of them had fire coming out, as well as fire coming out, a consistent ring of fire around the perimeter of it, inside a knee wall like that in the center of a patio. That would be pretty cool. But I wanted to show you the basic setup that we use. I mean, that's what we're doing right now. We're putting a basin like that in the ground. Pebble covers the base of these columns. Here you see those columns are covered. It's the same guts underneath this as you see here. These 3 fountains we're getting ready for a show this weekend. I told you I'm going down to Philadelphia after we get cleared out of our 2 feet of snow. So just for starters, that's what we're doing now. We want to introduce fire, so I want to get your thoughts on that. And I made a phone call to this guy I told you that has the winery, who has a pressing project that's coming up here with a timeline a few weeks away. This is all the time I have today, but I wanted to at least get this off to you, and we'll talk again soon. Maybe I'll call you from the hotel room during the show. All right, Ed, thanks.